Hey YouTube, JW. Got another knife I want to show you guys here today. It is a Chinese knife. It's the Bee, Enlan Bee, E-N-L-A-N. The box here just says Bee Professional. Let's see that. Yeah. The smudges off the blade. I had it out of the box already. You see it's cool looking micarta handle scales on there, that blue. It is 8CR13 MOV steel. Alright, let's see what we got for sharpness here. Out of the box. Not looking too good. Oh. Um, 57 on the Rockwell test is what it says. Micarta scales, overall length is 7.72. The blade length is 3.35. Thickness is 0.1. It's a liner lock, stainless steel liners, and it weighs 4 ounces. So, very good weight for EDC. You can see it has that Tonto tip blade there on it. Really good looking knife. Lock up on it. Let's take a look at that blade centering first. Not bad. It's got a disc, no studs, so it is ambidextrous. There's your lock up. Not bad. The knife feels light, but I'm used to carrying my Ontario Rat, which is an ounce heavier than that, and it seems like that really makes a difference. See if I can do it. Let's do a size comparison with a couple knives here. This is it next to my Flash 2, and next to the CQC 8. Emerson Kershaw. You can see that's pretty much comparable size there. It's pretty much, you know, and this is really your standard size for a semi, you know, getting into a large EDC knife. I think I paid, it's yeah, the Enlan Bee L01-1. I think I paid $16 for this. I've been looking, you know, I get on eBay and that, and I look at these knives, like the Sanrenmus and the Enlans and the Coast, the Navy, the Chinese made knives, and this one just kind of caught my eye with those handle scales. I like that. Fits in the hand good. One thing that I definitely do not like about it is the pocket clip is set up for right hand tip down carry only. I don't like that at all. I'm a tip up carry guy. I mean, I can live with it, but I don't like it. I think that the pocket clip is sturdy in that, but I think that they could have definitely gone with at least, I mean, if you're not going to make it left hand, at least make it where you can do tip up or tip down carry. But for the money, I mean, you're probably hearing this a lot these days, but you can see there, it's open pillar construction. There's 3 pillars there. There is no lanyard hole. For what you get for the money, you know, it's really tough to beat. If you can get past the point of the Chinese, but hell, in this day and age, you almost have to get past it. I bought this from a U.S. seller in California, but most of the sellers that you're going to see are from China. But and once again, in this day and age, it is very easy to get knives and stuff from overseas and not really have too much trouble. You have a little bit more wait time, but you're going to get your package. Customs could seize it, but I think most likely you'll probably get it. I like it. I like this particular model. Good for just a knife to throw in a bag or whatever, but really it is an ergonomic knife. It's designed well, and maybe you guys can tell me in the comment section, but as with most Chinese stuff, I'm sure that this is probably designed after another knife. They just copied the design, so maybe you can tell me what that is. But I did have this out in the woods. I did a photo shoot. I did mess around a little bit with it, using it not much, but I mean, just from my experiences alone, I can probably say that you know, it's a fine knife. I mean, you're talking about under $20 shipped. Any knife you can get that's decent, you know, for under $20 shipped, you're doing pretty damn good, in my opinion. So yeah, I like it. I like this particular model. It's the L01. See that? L01 Bee. I'd have to say, I agree with some of the previous videos that I've seen. It's a good knife. I recommend it. Check it out. I appreciate you guys watching. Follow me on Google+. And stay tuned for more videos.